So I'm going to change the setting here to mode 2. You can see now it is this direction on this joystick that I'm going to remove the spring from. So I think we'll have to screw this screw in order to take the spring tension away. You could also remove the small spring here, but let's first try what they say in the manual. It feels kind of weird. This is not right. This is not the way to do it. Oh, shall we give it another try? Just maybe if I screw all the way in here. Let's give it a try. There's some little left here, but you can see it's almost no spring tension left. I think you're extracting the there's still little left, so we will have to screw even more. Yeah, it's true. So if you screw this screw all the way in, then there's no spring any longer. This is fully expanded, and the small spring is here. I don't know if you can see it. So, and then we will want to have this clicking. So the next is we want this clicking, and you can see here if I pull down this spring here, and you can also hear it. So we will have to screw down here. And it is very tight screw. Very tight. I'll just do it out of camera because I have to press really hard here. So I managed to screw it down without damaging the screw. It is this screw here. Let me show you now. You can clearly hear the sound. Let me turn the transmitter around and you can see it. So here, this is mode 2, no spring, and it stays, and you can feel it. This is for the throttle, exactly what I want. Maybe a bit too tight. Can release it a bit. See, and here, so only this one is for the throttle. And you can adjust it to your preference. I hope I haven't forgotten anything now, but clearly I converted it to mode 2. And the spring is still there, but you can also remove the spring, this one here. If you prefer mode 1, then it's the other joystick. You will have to do the same procedure. Let's turn on the transmitter and see.
Preset position. Preset position. Preset position.
I think it's a warning because the throttle is on full speed. So.
Preset position. Preset position.
I will have to look into this.